Friend gang. Them all you go sit TV top. Then they talk nonsense. Somebody say we do threesome. Yeah, we do threesome. Yeah, Bulldog do threesome. Make Bulldog come and can't say no do threesome. Yeah, do threesome. Yeah, dear. Me dear Obama no say di kakra. Obaba ako. Me and Bulldog. We do threesome. Obaba ako. Because I need cutting and white or no relation. I'm me tinting ashim. I'm me tinting ashim. Oh yeah, let me tinting ashim. God, need the Andrew. He doesn't go into that coast somewhere. So I have to come and be diving. I see ya. Can't they say you want to talk somebody matter? You want to go talk my matter? Bulldog, my matter piano the way go fit talk we Ghana, eh? They go be surprised. They go, oh wow, nothing there. Stop lying to the people. You have lose. You see, you lose big time. You lost. Oh, fairly. Oh, to a crab. Accept more than a kind. Oh, look back on your Jemmy. Jemmy. I see ya. If you say what? Oh, what? No, Buddha. What you want, show man? Nothing the way you go. You and Mr. Logic, I say, you people, poverty, they kill you people. You people. And you just see, I don't want to talk about because I just see you recently. I say, you do for my Snapchat.
So the fight between Shatta Wale and the former managers and Andy Dosty, still na two ntwada. Ntokwana koswa sebe ni nim say ma na se omu obi adamfo na adamfo ni mu break here and say pop up but we mema Bulldog na ofani Bull God no wa manager Shatta Wale da Mr. Logic and so I manage Shatta Wale da ena Shatta Wale call socials ne so ekotwero to ho Shatta Wale call socials ne so ekotwero to ho on early ending days of December no. That's Shatta Wale culture said before Ghana music was done, these people must be banned from radio and TV. There's Akwasi Abuaji of Peace FM and the Dosty of Hate FM, Arnold. And also United Showbiz, so UTV, Ola Michael, UTV, Mr. Logic, Bull God, na FN Bulldog and na FN Bulldog, yes, Sally, and Abeku Santana Munina, Yem Pamom. Now they are just pained. Now, Bull God and so eba socials ne so a new year no pepe no so by Mr. Benabu. It's 2024 and you have no choice to hear me more on radio than your songs are played. You will see me more on TV than your music than your videos will ever air. Unfortunately for you, I'm on your phone. I am all over the internet and you read me more like a course you are studying. In 2023, I will live in your brain. 2024, I will hunt you like a ghost. I will keep you awake. You are a lawyer fan. Keep following me. Now, when a bab on 10 New Year, no video kakra me ma here before introduction here. Secret Shatta Wale unveil or person say on Bulldog cry threesome da intine say secret no na or unveil oyiyi unveiling session is oyiyi top secret on him no kabom no e bro my in a live video Shatta Wale over 52 to 53 minutes go to an hour and a top secret or say we munyi no celebrities Bull God ne hwan Mr. Logic munyi celebrities ho kire wom hia hoa ene ya ne Dosty obi a can listen obi a eji bomb ni bi in a long video me twetwe free live video ni mu no ena me de ma wa hwe Richmond Media so enjoy embra
Bulldog. Let I tell you, somebody will get sense. You know they live in house with the room. I should never take house if they make mistake. Master, I said go Adaraka. Go Adaraka. Go Adaraka. You go see where Bulldog is stay. But Nima said, find past where Bulldog is stay. Nima, he find past where Bulldog is. I tell you something. Bulldog, you want to advise me? You one time say you go hunt me. I go hunt you, Bulldog. I go hunt you. You see your dick, the small one, it go shrink. It go make like stop. Your dick, no. I go hunt him. I go hunt you. See your dick. I go hunt you. Your dick go shrink. Go make like stop. Red means stop. Yellow means get ready. If your dick erect like you do like so, cause yeah. You go feel hunt me, Bulldog. You be demon. Hey, Bulldog, you be spirits. Hey, Bulldog, you be kakai. Hey, Bulldog, me no dey hear. Unless anybody talk sense before me at the year, but me I know the year. Anything bullshit, and we go on bullshit. Huh? You know the fear, eh? Hey, Bulldog, you know the fear, say me I know your star sign, eh? Hey! Oh, how you see, man? Play deal I talk. Play with deal I talk. You know Mr. Logic, eh? Eh? I go chop people for split. You see, you go see me for my dream. You go see me for your dream. You go see my head. Who be this? Hey, this guy. They want you can't beg. Hey, Bulldog. You don't say me I go make you naked yourself. I go make you naked yourself. You know that. Don't dare me. Don't dare. I go make you crazy. You are going to make crazy. You are going to make crazy. Imagine say your daughter, we grow, we can hear say, in front of the chop menses, in front of the lick menses. Then your face all make like small baby lion for TikTok. Make like baby lion for TikTok, be $200 or something. Baby lion. Your ear all make blood. If they ask you, oh, what you go do? Oh, I go lick menses. Your wife for know these things. So say your wife gonna say that's why your life no dey go on. You chop too many menses. Why? You be part ambassador. You be part ambassador. Who on part? There. People know. People where they don't know. You see this here they talk. Everybody where the Bulldog in friend, he hear this thing for Bulldog in month before. You had to give you hookup girl. I didn't give you hookup girl. Or you won't deny. If I don't go talk for no go make I put for now, make we put one hand for inside. Say I don't give you hookup girl before. Poor. You can talk say one hand too. Hey, Bulldog, me I be hunter. Or you know hear my son, me I just son hunter. Me I be hunter. You and Mr. Logic, they go know you for this Ghana. You see you and Mr. Logic, they go know you. Me, I will make them know you. Mr. Logic. Right now go see right now, maybe go see. Oh, if you tell somebody, Charlie, you know, say I dey come out from my house, wait, they get enter my armpit. He every day get some formats to get momo. Oh, how they get enter? Charlie, you say he enter my armpit where it tear my linear cord. And you know, the way they know English. Those what way they call confidence tricksters. These are the people we have in Ireland. They are confidence tricksters. They trick the people. They play with your minds. Confidence tricksters. They don't know anything. They don't get anything. They don't get any. They don't know, but they won't use the mind. Just chop money for your body. Those are confidence tricksters. Did they speak English? Eh? They might play. Yeah, I think it's very important, and we have to really adhere to these policies and make sure we collaborate with the others, so that we won't have enough non-entities in our categories to comprehend to the lessons and the situations of the approximately the 9-10 people that we have in our state of living, so we can make sure that we collaborate with the next generation that is going to show us the incentives that we are going to use to that be how they speak. As yeah, tell them say see this video, I go do them every day. I be say he won't make me play. I make ready to play. And me, I go hunt them, I go hunt them and make it crazy. This time, don't worry. This time, as I know, say, people don't know, say, they eat menses. Go look for bad company. When they sign you, because you they eat menses. You eat mess. See ya. I'm gonna say, bro, phone already fill the bank account. Confidence trickster. Shame. Shame. Happy. Shame. You people are shameful people. Happy. Shame. We don't like you. You have lost the battle. We have won. 2024. It's shut up music. If you like or you don't like. Mama chair, mama chair, mama chair, mama chair. Hey, shout out to every Shatta woman soldier. Don't make them brainwash you. I drop 2024. So go listen Shatta music. Let's do our thing our way. You understand me? When I get money, I'll give you some. I don't give anybody around me again. Everybody be fucking for my body. I'm not gonna lie you. Every day, somebody they create problem for me. I don't like that thing. My fans, you never they create problem for me. You they support my music. When I go show you, they come there. This trip, if they call me for sure where I get there like this now, spraying. I'm spraying now. Maybe. I'll be fine, baby. Understand me? Boy, he's a foolish. Chikuri, don't mind Bulldog. He be dog. You understand me? Don't mind Bulldog. You there America. Chikuri, you also you go to America. Shut up, man. Dog, unless they buy tickets for him for a while. I say if you go to America, the pussy they go chop or visit. Bulldog. You see me? I say I go hunt you. You see my word way they use way you every time I teach you something, you won't use them. When I go use them for you, make you understand. I go hunt you, I go. You see the way Facebook did, you are dead. I go to hunt you. I go to hunt you. Left, right, front, back. Left, right, front, back. Me, I want to see you mad. I don't want to make you see that. I want to make you mad. You go mad. What's something you go mad? Boy. Child, I love you guys so, man. I'm about to drop another shout music, so when you wake up and you see another song, let's follow, you know, Shatta movement, Shatta music. They don't even stop that thing. Charlie, see this is about I go shows, and if I see the crowd, I say, actually, people they love me, oh. This boy they lie to them. Say Shatta no they respect. That's why when I enter stage, I want to pull my mind. That's where I go fit tell pull my mind and tell them say, don't follow nonsense. They no one make you know say I get money, make I give you some make you chop. They no one make you know. Say I they work hard. Well, but if you say the presidents, the ministers, if you say they don't know, say, I they work hard. They know rough. They know rough. They know, say, they work hard. They know. That's why most of them, they sit and they watch us like, wait, Jimmy, who is the Shatta age one? Wait, Jimmy Pow. Wait, Jimmy Papa, they can't go. I know you know who's age one. Wait, Jimmy. They can't do that because Andy Dosty be over. Andy Dosty, yeah. Your wife, when you beg me, say, make I go see Kofi Aban for him. When me and you go Kofi Aban there, the thing Kofi Aban tell you, you don't tell your wife. Your wife don't know. So your wife could the one, I didn't want you money, Jumana, mommy. Because Kofi Aban gave you a task. Kofi Aban is a big man. He's a big man. Very, very big man. They advise you, see, the work, if you put discipline to him and work. The way they insult me on for radio, I take you go Kofi Aban in there. If I be bad person, I don't go take you go in there. I take you go in there. They can employ your wife. Thank you. They say the sleep hotel. We hear all the story. A day pamphlet. If your wife come back, that one we know a bit by a day. How to love. I love you guys so, man. I'm gonna come back again. Somebody tell them, say this year we'll go hunt there.
So that was the attack and the unveiling of secret and any one count crowd bullet no to me before honey at the identity. Can I check Ghana celebrities be near the Emma or more concentration almost upon a Bulldog and the Dosty and Mr. Logic or Magic Geomodi. But who say Mr. Logic and so they reply be braba say or wish Shatta Wale sister the and then or send muma and could see you on one making on Shatta Wale near the other. And to kwa we tu nyan try 2024 and I started with a big banger until you be follow trend no near her. The video I'm out here a long conversation and your conversation put a live video as Shatta Wale attack those on a list so say be omunim nyansa nti free TV ni radio so na ma entertainment scene no entumi nkonanim nti now ɔfrɛ Shatta Wale freeway expose so ate aseɛ Shatta Wale ɔsɛ ɔyɛ expose Bulldog Mr Logic Andy Dosty ɔsɛ wama ɛyɛ bull god mu nyinaa awe ɛyɛ hookup foɔ nyinaa ne ade adrake Bulldog yere sɛ ɔmo nkye Mr Logic nsensɛn ne bebree na mema ɔhwɛ yɛ aha ɛyɛ Richmond Media subscribe ma yɛn o subscribe wie a notification bell no so yɛde content phobia atuma watumi ahwɛ thanks for watching bye.